This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this battery monitor from Ancel. It's their BM200 battery monitor, smart battery monitor. Just a very small device. You have your ground, you have your positive right here, plug it into your battery on your vehicle, on your power sport item, lawn equipment, whatever you decide you want to use it on, and download the app, link it up, and you can monitor your battery right on your phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in the next clip. I'm going to take a new battery that I have and put these clips on it, download the app, and show you how all of this works here next. And one very last quick mention, this is suitable not only for 12-volt lead-acid batteries, but also the Life PO4 batteries as well, like the newer style lithiums. So I've got the positive lead hooked up, negative lead hooked up to this battery. We're just going to test this on a lawnmower. And if you may be able to see it blinking blue there, and I have gotten the battery on here as well. So you can see it's 100% charged, and it says that the battery's okay. The voltage is at 12.8 volts, which is really good, and the temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius. So we could do a cranking test here or a charging test if we want to do that. It probably just monitors it, and you could just look into this instead of having to enact the test. Actually, you can start the test down here, but yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the mower, and we'll do a charging test. You can get out here and do trips. Shows you how many trips and whatnot. You can set up fuel consumption and stuff like that in there as well. You have a power alarm parameter on this as well, 60%, 80%. You can move it, and you put notifications on. It'll send you notifications. It'll show you abnormal cranking and daily power notifications, GPS tracking. So a lot of good stuff in this that you could use. So let me get the mower cranked here, and I'll see if we can do a cranking test. So it looks like it will do it after I crank the machine here. So let me do that. You're not left with any surprises or anything like that whenever you are done with and then it says battery okay, so it transitioned back down, so it knows when it's running and charging as well, which is super nice. Again, this will potentially could keep you away from some surprises if your battery is starting to go weak. It'll give you a notification. You can keep all this data and monitoring right here on your phone, which is super, super nice. And all you have to do is wire it into your existing electrical connections, which should be pretty easy, and it just does its thing. Alright guys, so that is everything on this Ancel BM200 battery monitor. Again, just plug it right into your existing battery cable terminals. Make sure it's just got good 12 volt power to it. Tie it away, hook it up with your app. Super easy to do. Enable your location services and Bluetooth, and it'll hook right up to it. You see all that data that I just showed you in the last clip as well. So that's really, really nice also. See it right there on your phone. You get alerts if you can get custom alerts depending on how far you want your battery to become discharged before you want it to notify you, and then also all the other things that and features of this battery tester. So super nice. Think you'll really like it, especially if you want to monitor your battery and do it in the smart way over your smartphone. So this right here should fit the bill just fine. Thanks again for watching this product review. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I will catch y'all on the next video.